Hey, everybody. You know who it is. It's the Garage Door Man 82. What are we doing, guys? Alright. I just watched the LiftMaster 8500's channel, and he was carrying on about not living in springs. So it's, you know what? I don't care, man. You do what you do on your springs. I don't care. But I'm not going to get into, repainting the garage. But anyways, I'm not going to get into it with you about what not moving your springs. That's your deal. But I know what he's going to say about me, since I tell him, is I'm going to do a lube job on my springs. He was saying to make them shorter. That's okay. If it makes them shorter, that's fine by me. But I think you just had bad luck with the galvanized springs, man. I think that's what's concentrating your head at the moment. So that's cool. You don't want to leave your springs, that's fine. But I'm going to tell you one thing. They will rust faster if you don't keep them lubricated. If you're not going to lubricate them, at least spray them with WD-40 to keep the rust prevent from building on them. That's the only thing I'm going to tell you. So you don't want to lube your springs, that's fine, man. But today we're going to lube these springs on my door. So if we come over here, we got the 8500. Oh, come on. Sorry, guys. Just been doing the little yard work this afternoon here. Let's check the expiration date on this, because we don't want our inventory to lose its freshness. Okay, focus. Now, all right, I'll read you the guy's date. It is the date on this thing is 8/13/15. So that's the day it was made. Mine's a little bit older, and the guy's 8500 put up. I will have to give you a video of that for you. So there's 3 people I know. Well, my buddy, which I know personally, and then the LiftMaster 8500, the one I was just saying about his springs. So we have 3 people that's got 8500s now. So yes, I know I got to get a video of his door, but you know, it's his garage. I told you guys before, whenever I get in there, I'll get the video of it. I promise you. So just, I'll get it, man. Don't worry. Anyways, let's get back on track. Lubrication of the springs. That's what we're doing. All right, let me get the lube, and I'll be back. Okay, we're back. Okay, what we're going to use is some lubrication here. Get yourself a good sturdy ladder like this. You know, this or a 6-foot, whatever kind of ladder you got. But be sure it's good and sturdy and not rockety. Let's put it that way. Okay. All right, we're going to get on our ladder. Lubrication. Most important thing. Hang on, guys. Yeah, well, it's precision lube, but they may not like it, but I don't really give a fuck. Anyways, we're gonna lubricate these springs. Let's get started. Never point at your face, guys. So, we're gonna take our lube, and we're going to just give these things a good hang on. Hang on. Let's try it again, guys. Okay, now we're gonna lube the daylights out of these springs. There we go. See what I'm doing? Go ahead and give them a good soak, guys. And like I said, don't be bashful. You know, get a little bit of lube in there. You know, go ahead and soak them up. You know, don't be bashful at all. If I get a little bit of the floor on the door, I apologize, guys. I'm not very good at multitasking, taking films, and lubricating doors at the same time. So you have to, once again, go ahead and soak them up, guys. Just like you're a spray paint. You want to give them a good lube, you know? There we go. Good and lubricated. That's what you want, guys. You want your springs to look like that. Yes, I know. LiftMaster 8500. I know. You're going to give me some flack about this. I can see it. But it's my spring, so if that's what I choose to do to shorten my life, my springs, that's what I'm going to do. Okay. take your ladder, come down to the edge of your door here. You guys, you gotta lubricate your door every 6 months. I know I'm no garage door tech, but I am focusing on let's just put it that way. Okay, I remember someone's video saying the opener should not be touching the bearing plate. Well, maybe I'm not, maybe I am, but you know, it works fine. I'm not moving it, so I don't care. Okay, let's lubricate this. I'll lubricate the drum. There we go. We'll lubricate the stems a little bit. You want to do this to every hinge. Same over here. Every hinge, guys, you want to hit. Every hinge. Every hinge. There we go. Every hinge you want to hit, guys. Every one of these. Yeah, I'm picky, so I'm gonna wiping some of the lube off my paint with my door because, you know, that's the way I am, guys. Like I said, if this video is too long, that's fine. I don't care. But it's very important you lube your door every 6 months or greater. You should do it every 6 months. You can do it once a year, but it's highly recommended you don't. So let's go and lube that other drum real quick. You know what? I got my garden tractor in the way. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it. Yeah, hang on, guys. Oh yeah, Mike's. Yeah. All right, guys. Like I said, you gotta apologize me. Okay, let's run it. I do apologize, guys. You gotta bear with me here. Hang on. Well, can you guess what time of day it is? It's light out. Yep. All right, let's go ahead and set it down, guys. Once again, we'll use the 888 LM. There you guys go. Alright, well, you can see I got my springs well lubricated. That's what you want. Like I said, I know he's going to give me some flack about it, but that's okay. I don't care. Everyone has their preference about how they do their doors, so. Alright, you guys. There you go. You know what? Hang on. Where's that lube? Lube. Oh, over here on the saw. Oh, and I'll show you what I'm doing in the garage. Yeah. You know me, I got paint. More paint, guys. I'm a paint freak. Yes, and remember the garage floor? It's chipping again, so we'll be redoing it again. It's because this paint sucks. We'll go ahead. I know how recommended it is to lube the drums, but we're going to go ahead and do it anyways. There you guys go. Alright, you guys. My neighbor's out. We'll go and get a side shot. Alright, there you guys go. Alright, you guys, there you go. That's how you properly lubricate your door. So, got any questions or comments? Just leave them in the video below, and I'll be more, To reply to you guys, if this is your first time watching my channel, please like, thumbs up, always thumbs up. And I have to agree with the LiftMaster 8500. You're right, dude. If you're a hater, get out of here. You know, just hit the road if you're a hater, really. Quit giving me a thumbs down. I have to agree with him on that. If you're a hater, leave. If you love my videos, rate, comment, and subscribe, okay? That's what I want. If you're a hater, just leave. Alright, guys. You know my slang, I'm going to say it again. This here is the Garage Door Man 82. Holler and pop your collar. And have a good one.